Now when they don't want pay person, who senior person go, they say, my friend, in senior me. You're not my friend, so you're like a father to me. You will pay me. You will pay me. They cannot go do big brother, you will pay it. Shut up. Oh, person senior me. Sorry, sir. Keep quiet. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for one of the Chibok boys. Thank you for coming out. How was it? No. I don't know him too, but he looks like someone I would like to know. Oh man, this country don't ready. This is not the only country where person with the married second wife they do bachelor's eve. Today, I know really well. When I'm not be as in they come from hospital, but I just come through for my brother. I get sore throat, so I could just manage my voice like that because this sore throat, nothing way they never tell me make I use Orubo and Tom Tom. They don't say make I use bitter cola and periwinkle. The other time make I use different things. My manager say make I use NSC. Make I put down for the sore throat. Make I put. What if I mistakenly go swallow? I can't reach my church. Say make some noise up in this beach, eh? My pastor go send me come out. Actually, I get some kind of new materials when I be one try, but because of time, I could just do popular demand. So that it will not have stories that touch. Because I'm a very funny guy in Lagos. I cannot come here and be crying rivers. I don't even know saying now whites and whites. They say me we wear. My stylist named Nabigi in Tupac. So I just wear. So let's just go straight to the point. The joke goes thus. See, if there's any artist where I want beat for this country now, Wizkid. I'm going to beat Wizkid. You're saying I should not beat him. How we beat him? Wizkid is racist. When Wizkid they sing with American artists, they put accent. When they sing with Nigerian artists, no accent. See all me now. Totori me one time, to. Totori me 2 times, to. Totori me 3 times, to. Totori me 4 times, to. You want to sing with Beyonce, accent from nowhere. Brown skin girl. Brown skin girl like pearl. Best in the world. I never change it for anybody else. Brown skin girl. Why you know if you do? Totori me 1 time, true. So I'll just say, Wizkid, say, yeah. I say, your father. Because this country now, every year now the video bust my head. The video can't call me. Hello, Kenny. What did they play? You get Messi Chinwo number? I say, for what? I want feature him. If the video Messi Chinwo sing, I want to be, your love is kind, shake me. I just come. Will not go do you. Do you know how old I am? Forget my height. I'll be 30 next year. Not next year. One of the years. But because the country don't even read. Now people going to talk say Davido and Wizkid can never sing together. That's a big lie. Yes, he confirmed it. Because for Egypt, when we hear boom, we don't even know where it happen now straight. Because I really want to blow, but not like that. Wait till I will be say Davido say Wizkid no fit sing with them, Wizkid no fit sing with Davido. If you take only one person to bring them together, if Buhari call them today, say, I went to Jah. I went to Jah. I want to Davido here. Davido go say, Sekbe, and every day talk. Why are you shouting at my other hair? How can I be to Wizkid? Yeah. I mean, they talk now. President, we think they happen. Yeah, I got starboard. Very good. 2 of you are very mad. Wizkid, you say it restricts my airflow? Yeah. Davido, I say it choke. Davido say no. I did not say soak. I say choke. You are stupid. I want both of you to enter the studio tonight and drop a song. You can name it, it restricts my choke. Or I choke my airflow. You can even name it Restrictly Choking. All I want that both of you must enter the studio and drop a song. How you go feel if Davido and Wizkid can't drop song? Now, I don't get Davido and Wizkid voice, but I go try. If I stand for yeah, I'll be Davido. If I stand for yeah, I'll be... If I stand for yeah, I'll be... If I stand for yeah, I'll be... So make a condemn, make a be the MC, we go bring both of them together. Restrictly Choking, it restrict my choke. Anyone that their family problem with that was not there when they were quarreling. So DJ, play something like this.
It's VJ Adams Alpha. Guess who we have in the building?
It's Davido.
And my brother.
Starboy day for you.
Africa, stand up. Afro beats to the world. Davido, sing.
Abodina massacre. Chop the boys for the area. She be like a caterpillar. Regular damager. It's Davido. I know you know. I got the dough, but I want to know how you they do anytime when you come around. Molan, she restrict my airflow.
OBO,
It up, shake babe.
Weezy,
She restrict my airflow. I say it up, shake babe.
Wizkid X
Starboy, sing.
Make her rock her body. Make her rock, make her rock, make her rock, make her rock her body. Make her rock her body. Make her rock, make her rock, make her rock, make her rock her body. 30 billion for you. Private jet for you. Starboy. Okurole.
So the last joke, because of time. I make a day go. Yeah. Icho Kabi? I don't know which one I want to do next. So, should make I try something new? Or make I do Zlatan and Michael Jackson? I want to try Zlatan and Michael Jackson. Say you know say like say Michael Jackson their life for cause Zlatan. Hey! Okay, which joke you like? Any joke that I want spraying. In fact, now so one guy they play Tori May for them. They carry everything come. The guy goes and me they send them back saying make mistake. Now thunder fire you. My brother, you are going places. KO, I don't know if you've sent my return flight. Make I go pick this one, book I'm on hold. Now I'll take it later. I'm a big boy. I don't need to let it fall down. I'm good, Abby. Bros, you dey park, abi you dey spray. Now, say no say like Michael Jackson, their life for call Zlatan. We just say, hey yo, can I be Auntie Zlatan? That one go reply, aye, Jumbo, who they would like that? My blood. Escalate. Chukiri. Michael Jackson go shout, are you mad? Why are you shouting at me? I'm again. Hey yo, Zlatan, I want us to do a song together. Only one here. Billie Jean, it's not my love. She just a girl who claims I am the one. Zlatan go reply, I'm a go, but the Mastercraft go do beat. Hey. How you go feel if you watch TV on Monday morning? You can see Michael Jackson, X Zlatan, in Kapaichu Mary Chupaiko. Kapaichu Mary. Something like this. DJ, play.
Zlatan, Kapaichu Mary Chupaiko. Billie Jean is not my lover. She just a girl who claims I am the one. I am the one. Billie Jean is not my lover. She just a girl who claims I am the one. The kid is not my son. Zlatan, Michael Jackson, Billy Gay body, the kid is not my son. Billy Gay body, Kapaichu Mary Chupaiko. Billy Gay pute. Talo kapata ya tita lo Libanon.